Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today on Goldie's Garage, we got a Ryobi weed eater. This one's gas powered, and I'm just gonna show you when the wire runs out, how to swap it. Obviously, this one comes that it has the tool for easy wind up, but it's plastic, and the tool doesn't work as effective as it normally should. So, you just take that off the notch. It has a little lock unlock. You back this out. What you want to do is you want to line this up. All right. You want to line up that arrow with that arrow. All right. And what I just got the regular Ryobi. It comes pre-cut already to the size. And you just feed it through. Feed it through. And then you should just get it to where they're even. It's starting to rain out here, so try to make this quick. Get them where they're even. Alright. And then start feeding it in, and you turn it to the left hand. No. Yeah, you turn to the left hand, and you can use this. Just push it forward. Sheesh. It's cleaning the oven. Well, the wipe cleaned the oven, I just had to clean the racks. That's it. Put the jack on. Make sure you don't lose that spring. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, subscribe. Goldie's Garage. That's Goldie. Goldie out.